Day two tip comes from Elaine Laughlin in Ohio. And Elaine asked me, the organizing pro, what do you do about stacks of paper? Day one, we already got a place, but it's stacks of paper. We'll neaten them up, put one on the right side of your desk, clear the center, and then put two boxes on the floor. One is going to be trash, one's going to be recycle, and then on the left side of your desk will be what you keep. Now, the real secret is turn that pile upside down. Yeah, this is the upside down pile trick. I have done a video on this. We've had 52,000 likes on it and views on it, so it's really good. So let me explain it. So all you do is take the pile, turn it upside down, stand, because it goes faster, and you pick up the first paper and you say, oh, what is this? Oh, that's so old. And you put it in recycle or trash. Recycle is great, and that's what we want to do. 70% of your paper in that pile will go into recycle. Maybe 10 to 15% will end on the desk for filing that you want to keep, and maybe about 10% to do. But all you're doing is picking up that bottom, and now on the top of the pile, look at it and go, do I need this? Oh no, that's so old. I don't need it. I have it on electronically, right in recycle. Okay, so this is the big sort on day two. Go through that paper pile by turning it upside down, get that recycle bin, fill it up, and you too will start to get your desk and your paperwork organized. I'm Marsha Ramsland, your organizing pro. More tips at organizingpro.com. Stay tuned.